Welcome back to Evolving Mail. Thanks for checking me out today. So today I've got the I just picked up a Rotopax gas can. I have the jerry can in the back, but I wanted to kind of do some outfitting on my rig. Maybe put it, I'm thinking about putting it right here. I could put it here. I think in the back. I'm gonna go for the back. So it's got the lock pack on it. I just opened it up, so this goes in there like that, and I can't find my. I'm at a little bit of a loss. I can't find my my stupid what do you call it? My brain isn't working. I can't find my thing to hold the phone. My tripod. Can't find the tripod, so I'm gonna do this one-handed. So basically, these two bolts match up right there on this rack. I'm going to come down a little bit to get it off the high center. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's take a look. Okay, so you figure there's the center. If I put it there, I could put it up. I'm going to put it down, brings it just below the roof line. So that's what I'm going to do. This one's pretty easy. I'm going to take these bolts out. I brought a wrench out here. Let's see if I was close. Is this the wrench I want? Nope, too small. So we're gonna go back into the garage of death and see if we can find the right size wrench here. You see all these wrenches, and I'm missing one, which means I probably didn't put it back where it goes. 12. I'm going with it's a 13 mil. So I got to find a 13 mil wrench, and then I'll be right back. So hold on a second and we will get her installed. Okay, so I got this 13 mil little double-sided box wrench. We're going to try that, and we're going to come around the back here and put the screws right in the back. Both screws right in the back here, and then I am going to take them and put them in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this from Full World Parts. I picked it up, I ordered it, and went and picked it up today. So put that up there. I'm gonna take the lock. I just took the key out right there. All right. So the whole tumbler comes out. I'm gonna put this in here, and we're gonna turn them both. And as you turn it, it sinks in. Now, I just did a dry run on this, and it's a little tricky. So, turn it in, and as I turn it down, those little nubs that are here, there's recesses in the black part, and there's little nubs on the can. See, I'll turn it back. Let me show you again. Okay. So, you see the little recesses right there? Those are going to fit. That recess is going to fit on that nub. Okay, so put it back in. Turn this and slowly bring the inside one down. Went a little too far. There. So that piece is going in to lock it in place. We're going to turn this down. Turn it down. It's nice and tight. Get it down until we can't get it to go anymore. And that's pretty tight right there. Might go one more. Two more. Alright, that's good enough. I don't think I'm sandwiching that anyway. It's nice and tight. So we're going to go ahead and put the lock back in it. Does it want to go? Do I have it in a weird place? Does it want to go? Let's see. Maybe it's because I got this. I don't know. Let's turn it this way. Might have it a little too tight. Hold on one second. Okay, So you know, as you turn the key, these two little buttons, they pull in. So we're gonna put that in there. And popped in, and now it doesn't want to turn. See, it won't turn because that lock goes in both of these, okay? You can't get it out until you put a key in. You put the key in, and you gotta mess with it a little bit, and it pulls out. Once it pulls out, those little things are no longer locked inside, and you're able to turn this thing around. I think I had it a little too tight. It was having trouble lining up when I had it up top. So right there is the place it wants to be. And it's a little finicky. That's it. So that's it. That's the whole install. It does come with this plate. It comes with a plate. It comes with some screws. But this doesn't really work with the Fab 4 design. I could have put it in the middle. And I might change and put it in the middle, but right now I'll put it on the end. So if you don't have a place to mount, or you're using some kind of hard molly kind of thing, you could do that. I don't need it. It doesn't really work. I could put it like that, but there's no point in it because this plate is meant to attach to something, and this is the attachments for that. So I don't really need this. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna eventually get if I'm satisfied with this for a while, I'll get a white one for the water on the other side. I got some Trax boards on order. They're coming. I got cheap ones from Amazon. Let's go up top. So it's sitting just above. I'm pretty sure that if I flipped it over, it might be sitting. It'd probably be sitting about the same height. I could turn it, but with this thing, it wouldn't go from here to here because this is wider, right? So I had to do it this way. But I think it's okay. It's not going to get in the way of my rooftop tent because my rooftop tent opens up on the other side. Now, if I put the water over there, it might, but I'll have to play around with it and see exactly what. And if it comes down to it, I could always put different holes in here. You know, it is after all meant to be changed and modified. So anyway, guys, that's all for right now. Just a quick little video to show you how the Rotopax mounts. I'm going to take it off when I have both hands, and I'll take the fuel out of my big giant container, which is going to free up some space in here. It's really nice. This is only a 2-gallon. This is a 5-gallon, but I can always get another one and add more. That's the cool thing. But honestly, I mean, even if you're only getting 14 miles at a gallon, 2 gallons is 28 miles. If you're that far off road that 28 miles ain't going to get you, then you weren't paying attention. So, you know, generally, even when it says you got 0 miles, you still got about I typically have about a gallon left. So this is plenty. This is plenty. It's more manageable. The 5-gallon tank is super heavy. Every once in a while, I will get rid of the gas and pour it in here in the truck just to, you know, not recycle the gas, but rotate the gas. And it's heavy and hard. I made a huge mess the other day when I did it. So that's kind of what led me to do this. That and the Rotopax just looks cool as crap, right? The Trax boards I have coming are orange, so they look like they're a pretty close match to that. But anyway, thanks for checking me out. As always, please hit like and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, go check out my rooftop tent video where you can have a chance to win one of the t-shirts that I'm giving away. So thanks for checking me out. And as always, stay safe. And see you guys later.